Welcome back to our Agile journey. Today, we're diving deep into the world of sprint planning, the event that sets the pace for success in the Agile cosmos. Sprint planning is the heartbeat of every sprint, where the Scrum team comes together to outline their voyage for the upcoming sprint. It's about defining what will be delivered and charting the course on how to get there. Let's go deeper into the exact how-to and steps to action. But first things first, you need to get the answers to these questions. The what? The what is where our journey begins. The product owner sets the goal, lighting the path with backlog items that will help us reach our destination. The how? Then comes the how. It's like charting our course on the map, detailing the strategies and steps our development team will take to achieve the sprint's goals. The who? And let's not forget the who. Without the product owner and the development team, our ship would be rudderless. Their collaboration is the key to navigating the sprint successfully. Our inputs are the stars guiding us, primarily the product backlog and our current increment. They lead us to our outputs, the sprint backlog, which outlines our journey's goal and the initial steps towards it. Before you start, all backlog items should be evaluated with estimation points. Estimation points are meant that the task should receive the abstract or representative value that would define the amount of effort that should be spent to complete the task. There is no magic solution on how such an estimation should be done. Rather than that, there are tons of different approaches such as exact value estimations, story points estimations, t-shirt sizes, and many other. And as usual, truth hides in the middle, and combinations of several different practices allow achieving the best scenario in a result. Estimating our journey's efforts is a unique adventure each time, and what will help us to pass the time better than Scrum Poker? Scrum Poker, with its gamified approach, brings us together, using cards to forecast the time and effort needed for each task. It turns the daunting task of estimation into an engaging team activity. There are many techniques and features that you can use for the values definition, but most important here is not to put value to the task. Instead, you need to discuss and describe what you are planning to do and align the vision of this with the whole team. But if you are curious, here's some of them to use. The Fibonacci sequence. It is a series of numbers where each number is the sum of the two preceding numbers. A simplified version of it for the Agile development where part of numbers in series were excluded. From t-shirt sizes to time-based estimations, each method has its own charm and challenges. Remember, the goal is not to seek perfection in estimation but to foster understanding and commitment within the team. Sprint planning is more than an event. It's the beginning of a collaborative journey towards achieving meaningful goals. As we've seen, from defining the what, the how, and the who, to navigating through estimation techniques, it's a process that brings the team together, focused on a shared vision of success. Thank you for joining us on this deep dive into sprint planning. Here's to many more successful sprints on your Agile voyage. Don't forget to subscribe for more insights into transforming ideas into achievements.